Hey peeps, do you want to see how I made this cute little bead bag out of this recycled bubbly box? Click subscribe and come watch Mimi make it. I've been seeing bead bags everywhere. Like, I'm not going to say I'm over straw bags. Kind of am. I want to see something fresh. I like new trends, and this bead bag is everywhere. It's going to be everywhere next year for resort. And when I saw it, I was like, I could do that. First thing, you take your cardboard box. This one, there's a difference between the 12 cans and 8 cans. And all you do, can you kind of see the shape already? Now,
You pinch.
remember it's cardboard, so, but pinch. But that's going to change after we do the next 2 steps. I'm going to go spray paint outside real quick. Hey, so while your box is drying, I use spray paint. I think I used like the wrong kind. I had just like a furniture spray laying around, so it looks kind of like shiny and clear, not like normal spray paint. And I just did it to be fast, but I'm probably going to go over it with like an acrylic paint, multi-surface, whatever. I'm going to do white as the base, so the beads, because I don't know which ones I want to use yet. I'm going to be working with pony beads. I keep calling them Polly. My grandma's name was Polly, but pony beads, like the ones you would wear in your hair, or when you used to cut up a shirt and put it at the bottom of a shirt. They have little circles like this, you know. And I also have these guys. They're really cute and like has little, they're more sheer out on a parchment piece of paper, an inch apart. And so you can see the opaque beads. Look how flipping cute. And these are like the clear ones. You put them with the hole standing up and they melt. So the opaque ones took a little bit longer. At 450, I had them in for 10, but then I kept looking, so I don't know if me opening it made it, but need a little bit more time, but keep an eye on it. And the clear were a little bit faster. And the longer you keep them in, the flatter they get. So I like them a little bit more puffy, because when they're flat, they kind of look really weird. Use a timer. So this is the box. I went a little bit further, but I'm just going to tell you what I did. So completely the box, the only thing is missing this. And then I cut this flat thingy off on the top of here. And I spray painted and then I painted inside just so it wasn't brown. And then I just pinched the sides until I came creased. You just bend it and you fold over to where you want your little flap. I went further and made my marks, and what you're gonna have to do, oh, and please click to subscribe down below or wherever it is. I'd appreciate it because I'd really like to make more of these things. I stole this from an old bag. It's gonna be the thing that keeps this guy. This is gonna need something, since it's so like lightweight, for it to stay closed when we put the handle in. You want something strong and sturdy. So this is it. I'm not gonna have you guys watch me do that because it'll take a long time. But I'll show you how I did it and what's easiest way. I'm gonna play around with the 2 different glues. I always love my glue gun. This thing is like, been through a lot with me. It's just so nasty, but it's the best. It's probably like $2. It's the best. And also this E6000. I do this when I use rhinestones. It dries clear, strong, but does say like cancerous materials in here, and it does smell bad. So for the top handle, I'm going to show you how to do it. I get like aggressive and like, I don't know how cute this is going to look for me showing how to do this, but I will show you pictures and explain it all. So determine how you want the length of how big the handle is going to be. Then make that another length double, and then consider that you need another one of those to kind of attach it underneath. So it's gauged 18. I think it's 18. You want it to fit through the bead hole, so make sure that works. and have it so it's one piece, and then you space them out. So this is bent on one side, and we're gonna slip it through one of the holes we made, and then make a bigger circle into the hole so it won't slip up, and then attach it. So I'm gonna send pics and show you how, and then I'm gonna go forward with the beads, so the next shot you'll see more of a full bag. So after I figured out how I was gonna design, I just used a glue gun. Went around, glued it all on, even look. The clasp, straight up glue, oh, I didn't like it, so I put it over a little bit, see, honest. And this could totally be neater, but I don't care. Who sees the inside of your bag? Cute. Trendy.